Hi, I'm Tali from Resin8 and I'm going to show you how to use mica powders in your resin to create stunning effects. Resin8 Mica Powder is vegan friendly, cruelty free and ethically sourced, so you can have peace of mind while using these gorgeous shimmery pigments. You can use these lustrous powders in so many different ways. Add a small amount to clear resin to create a lovely shimmer. Swirl a bit into coloured resin to create dreamy, out-of-this-world effects. Mix it into coloured resin to make beautiful shimmery shades. You can even mix 2 or more micas together to create new colours. Or why not use a cocktail stick to add a few flecks of mica powder into your artwork. Mica powders are versatile and fun, and a little goes a long way.